Hello and welcome back to TechHiveHQ. So today I'm going to be showing you how to enable device mirroring in your Android Studio so that you can mirror your Android phone right inside Android Studio. This is super helpful, for example, if you're debugging, recording demos and presentations, or if you don't want to use the Android Studio inbuilt emulator, which may make your machine slow. So let's get into it. First, make sure you have the latest version of Android Studio and check to see if you can enable. So you're going to go to File, then you're going to go to Settings, then it's under Tools. If you don't find it, you're just going to scroll down, look for Tools, Device mirroring, or activate mirroring when a physical device is so you're just going to select which one you prefer. So when launching an app or when it is just connected, choose and then click on apply, click on OK. So now you're going to connect your device to your computer and then connect via USB, and then you're going to see it here. So once you see it, you're going to come here to running devices. Then you're just going to select here. Click on the plus icon, then select your device. And it's as easy as that. And you can now control using your mouse. As you can see, you can basically do everything with the computer, and that's basically it. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you like and subscribe, and that's how you do device mirroring. See you in the next one.